In front of me is CUBOT X19 S, and let me show you how to simulate color space on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, scroll to the very bottom and select System. Enroll Advanced Options and click on Developer Options. If you cannot find Developer Mode here, just take a look at our tutorial on how to do it or on how to unlock it and click to open. And now you need to scroll down and check and actually find Simulate Color Space. Now we can also search for it. So here it is, Simulate Color Space. Tap on it. And if you'd like to activate monochromacy, just mark monochromacy. If you'd like to apply a red-green display, just mark this option. Then you can also pick red-green and different colors and blue-yellow. So it's up to you. Just pick the color space that suits you most. And then if you'd like to turn it off, just tap on Disabled. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.